Imagine cruising down an open road, wind in your hair, sun on your face, and behind you? Not just a camper, but a hand-built, vintage-style trike camper that looks like it came straight out of a dream. This isn't your average RV or bulky van. This is minimalism, nostalgia, and innovation all rolled into 3 wheels. And once you see this thing in action, you'll wonder why we ever stopped making them like this. At first glance, it looks like something from the 1960s, a mix between a retro motorcycle and a tiny home. But the closer you get, the more mind-blown you'll be. This trike isn't just for show, it's fully functional. Solar panels line the roof. There's a tiny kitchenette inside. A fold-out bed. Storage compartments. Even space for a small fan or heater. And yes, it's all packed onto a tricycle frame. You'd never believe so much comfort could fit into such a compact form. What makes this vintage trike camper truly special is its heart. These aren't mass-produced. Most are hand-built, with love, with care, often by solo travelers or creative tinkerers who wanted freedom without compromise. You can feel the craftsmanship in every rivet, every paint stroke, every polished wooden surface. It's not just transportation, it's a rolling work of art. And while this trike may look like something from the past, it's built for the future. Lightweight, sustainable, and efficient. With today's rising fuel prices and growing concerns about the environment, more and more people are ditching the big gas-guzzling RVs in favor of smaller, smarter options. This vintage camper trike ticks all the boxes. It's eco-friendly. It's budget-friendly. And best of all, it turns heads everywhere it goes. Now, let's talk about comfort. You might be thinking, okay, it looks cool, but can I really live in it? Absolutely. Inside, you'll find clever designs that maximize every inch of space. A folding table becomes a workspace. Storage under the seat hides clothes, tools, and camping gear. There's even a mini sink powered by a foot pump. And when it's time to sleep, the cozy mattress is surprisingly comfortable, offering a safe, dry space to rest no matter where the road takes you. What's truly beautiful about this setup is the lifestyle it represents. Freedom. Simplicity. Adventure. With a vintage trike camper, you're not stuck in traffic. You're not tied to rent. You're not bound by rules. You can park under the stars, wake up by a lake, roll through old highways and forgotten towns. It's not just about traveling, it's about experiencing life differently. And here's the thing. These trike campers aren't just fun, they're sparking a quiet revolution. More people are finding themselves drawn to this minimalist lifestyle. Some use it as a weekend escape pod. Others live in them full-time. And many, especially in cities dealing with rising homelessness, see them as a path to dignity and shelter on a budget. It's mobility with purpose. Just imagine pulling up to a campground and all eyes turning. Not because you have a flashy car, but because your camper is a piece of nostalgia come to life. A story on wheels. A rolling expression of freedom. Every detail of a vintage trike camper tells a